Hi everyone, my name is Titiksha. Welcome back. So in this video, I'll talk about all the good things and the bad things which happened with me in 2020. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with January. So as usual, I spent New Year's with my best friend. So we decided to go to Maharashtra Bhavan to have our breakfast, but we ended up getting late. So we had a meal over there, but we were not satisfied with that. So we went to Andhra Bhavan. Then we had another meal over there. Then we decided to go to Children's Park, but we were not allowed inside it because we are not children anymore. So we went to India Gate. We sat there, we chilled, we gossiped, and that was the best time ever. I mean, I wish I can spend this New Year the same way. But anyway, Jan, we found this interesting thing called Yulu. So all of those who do not know what Yulu is, this is how Yulu looks like. And whenever we used to be low or sad, Yulu का नाम सुनते हम excited हो जाते थे. So yeah, I mean, I miss riding Yulu with you if you're watching this video. Okay, so towards the end of the Jan, we went to a place which I never thought I would go to. Here is a picture of me from that day, and that was a very special day for me. I won't talk much about it. So let's move on to February. Also, okay, so now coming to February, when February started, we got to know about our IP Fest. So जिसको नहीं पता मैं IP University में हूँ. So ever since I entered IP, I always had this thing in my mind कि मुझे फेस्ट में perform करना है, but I had no idea what would I perform, but I just wanted to do it. So when I got to know about the fest, I made a team of my own. I mean, I forced my friends to perform with me. Then everyone who knows me, they know that I'm not a dancer, but I choreographed most part of the song along with one of my friends, and that was quite a big deal for me because मैंने कभी डांस नहीं किया था, and पूरा ऐसे डांस को कोरियोग्राफ करना, टीम बनाना, स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना was a thing for me. So we performed. We did not win, but we enjoyed it, and I would never forget that part in my life. So here is a clip of we girls dancing. Also, BNB magazine featured me in the month of September. Here is a clip of that. And my news published my interview on their website. I'll leave the link in the description box below in case you guys want to read it. So the months May, June, July, August, September, these 5 months were extremely amazing for me in terms of my social media growth. So let's talk about YouTube first. I had 100 subscribers on YouTube, and I never thought कि 200-300 से subscribers कभी होंगे, but we grew from 1000 to 2000 in very less time, and you all know how. So let's not talk about that and come directly to Instagram. So on Instagram, I had 6,000 followers काफ़ी टाइम से, but quarantine में I started uploading self portraits, so धीरे धीरे मेरे followers बढ़ रहे थे, and this was the picture which went viral for the first time on my page, and it got me like 4 to 5,000 followers. तो उस टाइम मैं पहुंच गई थी 14K पे, and 14 to 15K भी होने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा, but the journey from 15K to 77K was crazy because एक month के अंदर मेरा वो growth हुआ था. I think 1 month or 1.5 month में, only because of the story edit reels I was posting जो viral हो गए थे. 15 story edit reels से मेरे million views हैं, and वहीं से ही मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा followers मिले हैं. And story edit reels उस time actually इतने popular नहीं थे, and I saw a lot of people doing story edits because they saw that this is getting me traction, so उनका भी शायद बढ़ सकता है, but that did not happen because something which might work for me might not work for you. So you need to figure out आपके लिए क्या सही है and do that for your page. Anyway, let's not talk about that. So we had a lot of fun from 15K to 77K. We had all these online parties, 20K, 30K, 50K की party हुई थी. 50K में I did that live session, and I was gifted with this cake and the entire balloon thingy. I hope you guys remember that. And I also did a lot of webinars for you guys free of cost पे. काफ़ी सारे लोग आए, अलग अलग countries से लोग आए थे उसमें. So that was the fun part. But there was one thing which happened in between all this happy and fun moment was when I got trolled by one of my fellow creators. The very first time I experienced something like that, and I'm really thankful for all those people who were there for me at that point of time and helped me go through it. Thank you so much guys, and I love you. Okay, so it was in October that I decided to take a break for 1 day because it was getting very hectic for me. मैंने इससे पहले एक भी दिन break नहीं लिया था, मैं हर दिन post कर रही थी. सो उस दिन मैंने कुछ भी पोस्ट नहीं किया और रात को मैंने देखा आई लॉस 100 फॉलोअर्स, तो आई वाज लाइक ओके लूजिंग 100 फॉलोअर्स नॉट अ बिग डील, बट धीरे धीरे नवंबर तक आते आते आई लॉस 20,000 फॉलोअर्स and everyone started questioning me. Everyone was very curious. The moment I stopped doing story edits was the time I stopped getting followers. I mean, I started losing followers, and honestly I did not even enjoy doing story edits anymore, and that's the main reason of losing all these followers, because they followed me for story edits and I did not do it anymore. And during this phase I noticed a lot of things. People who followed me and who supported me at the time when I was growing, they started unfollowing me. People who came to my webinars जिनको मैंने free में इतना सारा knowledge दिया था, they started unfollowing. The ones who I thought will actually support me when I needed it, they did not. I mean, a lot of good things also happened. In November I shifted to a new place. I got my own room. That was kind of a dream for me to have a room of my own. I started earning. I mean, I registered for a dance class. I always wanted to dance, but मैंने कभी सीखा नहीं था, and अब तो टाइम भी नहीं था, कोरोना में कैसे क्या होता, but दिसंबर में ही I registered for a dance class and I'm learning from Tanvi ma'am, and it's amazing to learn something which you have been wanting to learn since a long time. And okay, so it was in December. I thought of taking a break from everything, from social media, from social life, and from studies. I even stopped talking to people. I mean, there were only 1 or 2 people I talked to in this entire month. नहीं तो मैंने सब बंद कर दिया था almost. And I thought of actually taking out time to heal myself first and then come back. I indulged myself into a lot of things which I never thought I would do. That includes exercising daily and meditating. I used to meditate. I mean, I'm still doing it thrice a day, morning में, evening में, and सोने से पहले. And trust me, for a girl like me, जो शांत होके 1 मिनट भी नहीं बैठ सकता, उसके लिए meditation करना is very difficult. But no, I did not find it that difficult. I enjoy it a lot. In fact, मुझे तो और करने का मन करता है. So it's a good thing. If you want, I'll leave the link in the description box below. The links I follow to meditate, in case you want it. So this is how 2020 was for me. It started off with a very good note but ended in not so good way, and there are still 2 days left. It's 29 today and 2 दिन अभी भी बाकी है, and I'm hoping for some miracle to happen so that things in my life fall into place. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have watched it till the end, thank you so much for listening to me. And yeah, that was my last video of 2020, and the new ones will come in the first week of Jan. Thank you. Bye.